One of the other stocks that we have to discuss today is OLMA. And of course, guys, remember the content here for education purposes only. OLMA, guys, is still one of the top gainer for today. This one was, as we said, the top gainer because we saw it early on our Discord. We this the short update for our Hunter on Discord and Patreon before the market open, because the best entry, the big whale entered before the market open around the 21.28. And after we did this short, you see what's happened. We jumped toward the 25, 28, 32, and even 37. And then we pulled back. We took profit here before the market opened around the 27 or 28 or around the 28, and then we pulled back. So we suggest to exit around the market open. You see what's happened after the market open? We got halted once and now testing a new support around the 2072. So if we held here, would be great for a reversal, guys. So I'm watching for entry for this one around this level, because if we held, we might have a huge reversal right there and right now. So this would be a great entry if we held, of course, over the 2072. If we don't hold, is mean we're gonna continue to go down at least around the 1790 and the 1570, 1517 for a reversal from there. But the best case scenario is holding right now, going at least around 2458, and we might pull back. However, if we're still holding, is mean we're gonna have the test around 28. And if we broke the 28, will be initiation for another squeeze. Remember, guys, this is a pharmaceutical stock that have a lot of news lately regarding the pivotal trial advancing, because they have a new drug for the acute like phase 3 clinical trial and have positive result, and that's why it's jumping up right now. And we got a good price target for it around the 24.75, and right now it's around the 21. Plus the price was before or in the pre-market around the $8, and we did technically 350% before pulling back at the market open. So for now, it's still holding tightly over the support that we discussed, which is the 2069. If we broke this level, as we said, we might pull back at least around the 1797 and the 1517. So those two levels that I'm watching right now for a reversal for OLMA, because it's overextended in the pre-market and now it's pulling back down toward those levels of resistance. So I'm going to lower the resistance here for it. Yeah, still looking interesting for my opinion. If we, okay, I'm going to lower it here around 24.30. So it's still pulling back down toward this interesting support, 28 or the 18 and the 15. So the 17 and 18 should be a good reversal zone for OLMA. And if we held here, would be a huge reversal confirmation. And the whale will enter again around this critical zone. So OLMA is one of the top stocks that we should watch for today and the rest of this week, because it's the main gainer and the best trade that we did for today. Let me know, guys, in comment section below if this one will continue this majestic trade and this huge pivot in the price, and we go toward the $50, or are we gonna go back toward the $10? So this is no in between. This one either 50 or $10. High risk, high reward play for my opinion for this pharmaceutical major unicorn. We call it unicorn because those stocks jumped 300% in just few hours.